three major theories of ELT. The three major theories are behaviorism, cognitivism, and constructivism. First, we will discuss what behaviorism is. Behaviorism is a language as habit. It operates language as habit. Learning is a process of stimulus, response, and reinforcement. In ELT, language is seen as a set of behaviors learned through imitation and repetition. The key theorist is B.F. Skinner. The mechanism, how it works. Stimulus, the teacher provides a model. For example, I go to the market. The response is the student repeats the model, maybe repeating the same sentence again and again. Reinforcement is positive feedback. Say, I repeat the sentence in a right way and the teacher applauds me. And that's the positive feedback. And it strengthens the habit. ELT methodology include the audio and audio-lingual method, which is ALM. This focuses heavily on drills and over-learning to prevent errors. Behaviorism treats the brain as a blank slate, where language habits are carved in through mechanical practice. Yes. So moving forward, we have cognitivism, language as a mental map. Learning is not just a habit, it is an active mental process. This theory replaced behaviorism by arguing that learners use their internal processor to understand grammar rules and patterns. Key theorists include Noam Chomsky and Jean Piaget. The mechanism, how it operates, innate ability. Cognitivism believed in the innate ability of learners. Humans have a language acquisition device, LED, that allows them to process complex rules. Rule discovery, learners don't just mimic, they deduce the underlying logic of the meaning. Meaningful learning, new information must be connected to what the learner already knows. Yes. Cognitive code learning, teachers focus on teaching grammar rules explicitly and encouraging learners to think about why a sentence is structured in a certain way. Cognitivism, to put it very simple, it relates to understanding the concepts. Moving forward, we have constructivism. Constructivism deals with language as social discovery. Knowledge is not given by the teacher and it doesn't come with the passive lecturing mode. It is constructed by the learner through experience and social interaction. Language is a tool for communication, not just a list of rules. Key theorist Lev Vygotsky and the mechanism, how it operates, zone of proximal development. We call it ZPD, the gap between what a learner can do alone and what they can do with help. Okay, scaffolding. Scaffolding is a process. It's a temporary support provided by a teacher or peer to help the learner reach the next level. Authenticity. Learning happens best through real world tasks and social context. Right. ELT methodology, task based language learning, TBLT, and communicative language teaching, CLT. All these methodologies basically focus on doing things with the language rather than just uh, listening to a passive lecture. Say, doing things that can include ordering a food or solving a real time puzzle, etc. Right. So let's solve a question based on what we understood from the content today. Which one of the following theories provided the basis for the audiolingual method? Is it behaviorism, cognitive code learning, creative construction hypothesis, or constructivism? Do comment your answer below. And thank you so much for your patience. Do like, share, subscribe the channel for more interesting and relevant content. Thank you once again.